With as low as 20 million naira initial deposit, you own a home right in this very estate. A few months ago, I brought you here and you can see that as at that time we were just laying the foundation. Today you can see the tremendous work we've done, and we just have very few units available. Right here we have about 49 units of 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom and 4-bedroom terraces, semi-detached and fully detached duplexes. We are going to be having a lot of features right in here. Come along with me, let me show you.
Guys, I traveled all the way from Port Harcourt to Lagos to bring this amazing offer to you. Look, this is the most affordable house you can get in Lagos. Do not miss this offer for anything, as the units here are no longer much and this offer is not going to last for too long in the market.
Guys, we were here in November, and you can agree with me that the level of work you see right now is more than what you saw before. When I told you that this project is going to be delivered this year, look at the transformation. Right now we are about to move. Now, here's a twin duplex. So right here we have 4 units of 3-bedroom terrace duplexes, and we just have 2 units left in this very unit. Over here we have the twin duplexes. We have the 4-bedroom twin duplex here. We have the 4-bedroom twin duplex here. And come along with me. This is the one I love the most. The 4-bedroom fully detached duplex. It is so spacious, guys. And guess what? We just have very few units of it available. It is almost sold out. So send a DM right now to own a unit of 4-bedroom fully detached. I'm telling you something for a fact. It is only in Landview resident that you have the most affordable 4-bedroom fully detached duplex in the entire Lagos. This estate is just off the Lekki Expressway and is right here inside Ajayi Apata, a beautiful estate right here at Sangotedo, just after Lagos Business. Come along with me. So right here is another 4-bedroom fully detached duplex. We are also starting up another one here. That's it here. You can see all the blocks we have as the site working. You can see our workers are seriously working. The last time we came to site, we had not started this construction. Come along with me. Now, this is another 4-bedroom fully detached duplex. Come with me. So now, 4-bedroom fully detached duplex. You can see it's so spacious. We have 1, 2, 3, and we have more coming up here. I can see the quality of work we are doing. Look at the quality of work that we are doing. You can't beat this. Remember that this project has approved layout and approved building plan. Remember the last time we had a video here? This project has approved building plan. Okay, so whatever you are buying here, your building is fully secured. You can never have a case of demolition in this very estate. Okay, I would encourage you to go see my previous video where the MD of this very estate explained in details the certifications this estate has. Here, every unit comes with C of O title, letting you know that your investment is fully secured. So all you need to do is to send a DM. With as low as 20 million naira initial deposit, you own a home right in this very estate. Okay. So this is the family lounge. As you walk upstairs, you see this lounge, and right in here you have this room this way. So this is like the masters, right?
Yeah, we the masters.
Okay. Okay.
It's sliding door.
Okay. Okay.
Window.
Yeah.
Master.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is the walking closet and the bathroom. Okay. So now when you come this way, the second room, right? Okay. So they are all in suites, and that is
Yes.
the okay.
And that's the bathroom.
And this is the bathroom. Wow. So I can see that they are really, the rooms are spacious enough and they are really good. So guys, send a DM. My room.
Yeah.
So here is the entire room and the guest toilet. Okay. And now you have the living area. You can see how spacious and beautiful it is. It's so spacious. Now we have the dining. Okay. We have
Guest room.
we have the guest room and the toilet. And you have
It's the storage.
the storage. And you have the very massive kitchen. The massive kitchen, and you have the backyard. So when you climb up here, you have
So it's the family lounge.
now this is the family lounge. Then when you go right, you meet this must be the masters, right?
No, other rooms.
This is one of the other rooms. You have the bathroom. Okay. Now you have a lounge.
Yeah.
So where is it?
Balcony that serves the 2 rooms.
Okay, this is so this must be so where is the masters?
It's in front. It's other room.
Okay, this is one of the rooms. This is the bathroom, and this is the wardrobe, the walk-in closet. So here you have the balcony for the sitting room. So from here you can view your neighbors, your beautiful neighbors, your beautiful neighbors.
It's not really here.
So this is the masters, right? Oh, beautiful, guys. Now this is the beautiful masters. It has a walk-in closet and it has a toilet and the bath. Okay. And let's show you the corridors. You have so from here you can as well see your neighbors and all that.